Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do the classic black matte smoky eye look. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it right now. You can also follow me on Instagram, the link is in description below. First, I'm taking the ABH Dip Brow Pro Matte for my eyebrows in the shade Ebony and I'm using a Morphe E29 brush to apply it. Next, I'm taking NC30 from MAC Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium and I'm applying it right below the eyebrow to highlight its shape. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe and with the shade Butter, I'm applying it on my crease as a transition shade using a Morphe M330 brush. Next, I'm taking the Maybelline gel liner and applying it on the center of my lid to give a dark black color. You can also use any eye kajal for this. Now I'm taking the black shadow named Abyss and dab it on the center of the eyelid and then start blending it in small circular motion till it covers the whole eyelid. And I'm using the Morphe M321 brush for this. Next, I'm taking the dark brown shadow named Chip and with the Morphe M506 brush, I'm blending it right between both the shadows so that there is a nice transition effect. Now just clean out any excess shadow fallout from under eye using any micellar water. And after that, I like to use the Aroma Magic toner and moisturizer for my face. And since I have a very dry skin, I also apply some face oil before foundation. It makes sure that my foundation doesn't get patchy. Next, I'm using the POREfessional primer by Benefit and I like to use my hands instead of a brush to apply the primer and it leaves a really nice and smooth surface for the foundation. Now I like to mix the corrector and concealer together for any pigmentation on my face, that is the under eye dark circle, around my chin and a little bit on the corners of my forehead. People usually apply the corrector first and then the concealer over it. I just feel like this way is a little quicker and then just blend it with a beauty blender. And I use the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Medium Deep for this. Now I'm taking the Huda Beauty Fox Filter foundation in the shade Toffee and with a PAC foundation brush, I'm first going to dab the foundation and then blend it in circular motion. A brush usually gives better coverage than a beauty blender. Now taking a MAC Studio Fix Concealer in the shade NC42, I am going to apply it on the area that I want highlighted. And then blend it using a beauty blender. Here I am using a CS Essential Beauty Blender. Now for contouring, I am using the NYX Matte Bronzer and just applying it in circular motion on my cheek, my jawline and the forehead, and I'm using PAC 305 brush for this. And as for the nose contouring, I'm using a small precise flat brush by PAC number 130. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty loose powder in the shade Blondie and just applying it on the bridge of my nose, my under eye area. Basically wherever I put the concealer before, I'm just setting all of that now using this loose powder. And then with a PAC powder brush, I'm just dusting off any excess powder. Now again using the Maybelline gel liner, I'm just applying it on my waterline using the same brush that comes with this liner. And then with the black shadow named Abyss, I'm going to create a smoked out look right under my waterline using a Morphe E36 brush. And then I'm using this shadow named Beam to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes. Now using the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit, I'm just applying it on my upper and lower lashes. And I'm using the Ardell Professional Wispies for my false lashes today. I'm using the lip liner by Color Essence in the shade Red Brick to outline my lips and then also fill it in. And with the Kiko Milano Smart Fusion lipstick in the shade Nude Pink, I'm going to top that lip liner. I'm using the blush palette by Imagic Cosmetics and applying the shade Damsel with a PAC 302 blush brush. Next, with the Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop, I'm going to highlight the T-zone and my cheekbones. And then set the base using the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And here it is, the classic black smoky eye. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.